welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Glitzy Glaze box for the month of June. So this is my first time that I'll be unboxing this. So it's a new box for me. So yes, I'm looking forward for this. But before opening this, let me first tell you that they have two different variants. The first one is Glitzy Bella and the second one is the Glitzy Rage. I will be unboxing the second one, Glitzy Rage. The price for that is 499 rupees and shipping is absolutely free. So you don't have to pay anything for shipping. 499 is the price. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box so you guys can check it, and detail about the Bella box as well in the description box so you guys can check it. Now let's quickly see what all it has. Let's start with this beautiful bag, and you have color options. You can pick the color as per your choice. I have chosen this one. It's a really pretty, very cute purplish color. You can just see it's a sling bag. So a quite long sling, I would say. So pretty. The quality and everything, you can just see it's really nice. And they have different colors. So you can choose the bag as per your choice, like the back color as per your choice. This is the inside. You have two partitions here. So a very cute bag. I love the color. And of course the pattern and the quality is quite decent. Let's happy with this one. Moving on to the second one. The second one is this scarf. So for scarf also there are options and you can choose as per your choice. I've chosen this one and it comes with this hanger. So let's just remove this and see the scarf here. You can just see it's quite a big scarf. And you can just style this as per your choice. You can just choose the color as per your choice, which is amazing. So this is how it looks. Not really taking it properly right now, but yes, you can select the color, the print as per your choice, and I'm liking it. The quality and everything of this is quite nice. Now moving on to the next one. Next one is a sunglass, and again you have choices. You can select the shape, the color, everything about this sunglass, and it comes with the case. Let me just open it and show you the look. So I've chosen this one. These are like pretty nice. Let me just wear this. Ooh, really amazing. Very fashion kind of sunglasses. I'm liking it. Very different kind of sunglasses. I don't have something of the sort, especially the round ones. So yes, really happy with this one. Moving on to the jewelry part now. So now let's start with these. These are pretty earrings and these are mantra earrings, and again you have choices in this as well. So you can select the they have like two types of earrings, mantra earrings. You can select the earring as per your choice. I have chosen this one. Let me just wear one and show you the look. The color is silver, so of course they will go with most of your outfits. And the pattern, yes, with Indians, they will go amazingly nice. I mean, for suits, for kurtis, for I'm not really sure about the tops and dresses, but for suits and kurtis, they will look amazing, stunning. So yes, happy. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is this. This is a beautiful ring. Let me just wear this and show you the look. So this is the look. Really pretty. Now let's move on to the last one. The last one is a beautiful necklace set. This is a beautiful necklace with the matching earrings here. One is here, the other one is missing. Okay, the other one is here. So this is a full set. Let me just wear this and show you the look. Wow, so you can just see it's looking so pretty, though I'm wearing it on my dress. But still you can just see the look. It's looking really pretty. I love it. And then it has matching earrings here. So perfect. Really pretty. I like it. And again in this also they have two different style. No, actually two different colors. You can select the color as per your choice. So this is the last product in the box, and as I've said, this is my first Glitzy case box. So yes, I'm pretty much impressed with it. The sunglass is really nice. The bag is nice. Then scarf is nice. And the best part is that you have choices for all the product, which is amazing. So you can choose the product as per your preferences or as per your taste actually. So that's amazing. And if you talk about jewelry, it's nice. The quality and everything of the jewelry pieces are really nice. I will be clicking some pictures with these jewelry, and of course I will be attaching that in the end of the video, so stay connected for that. So that's all about Glitzy Glaze. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box, and I've already told you that I have announced the May giveaway winners. Do check the video, the giveaway video. You will find the name in the description box. And thank you guys for supporting me, and congratulations to the winners. And I will try to come up with a new giveaway whenever I get time. I'm really busy, so please do understand that. Now that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.